This is a review of the Amazing Spider-Man, the Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray plus the DVD. It's a cool lenticular cover. It really pops out. The side, it's the usual. Same thing on the other side. In the back, the best Spider-Man yet, and I do think so. It just tells all about him, the movie and stuff, and what you need to watch the 3D. And the case is basically the same. You got the clear case. I like those, they're cool. The back's the same. Get it inside. So you got the Amazing Spider-Man DVD with Dr. Connors on it. You've got the Blu-ray 3D with Spider-Man. The Blu-ray with Peter Parker. And the Blu-ray special features with Emma Stone. This is a movie that it was cool to watch in theaters in 3D. And I hope you have a good day.